Okay, para sa lahat po ng mga 50 above. Okay. 10 placers. Para sa ating 10 placer, si Mr. June. June ng Girayos. Lakat!
Sampo ka, kasi sampo na lang kayo. Dose na kasi. Dose.
Mr. June ng Girayos. Congratulations. Ninth placer, Kuya Orbel Santos. Yay!
Asan yung night? Ayun na pala.
Yun. Picture. Okay, 8th placer. Benjamin from Girayos. Dito na, lahat ng mga ano.
Akit ka lang guys po yung.
8th placer. Benjamin from Girayos. 7th placer. Eliseo from Oro Cycling Team. Alright.
Pwede pa.
Okay, numbers. 6th placer. Cap Romeo from Pablo. Alright. Nice one. 5th placer, Samir from Mr. Samir. Alright. Congratulations, sir. Take a picture. Okay, 4th placer goes to Mr. Neil Tang. Naglakad pa yan. Oh, naglakad pa niya. Lolo niyo. Okay. 3rd placer, Bert Alilay of Girayos. Nice one. Lahat ng mga nakapodium, meron 20% discount sa Extreme. Sponsored natin ng Extreme Sports. 20%. Ibibigay namin sa inyo yung voucher.
Pasensya na po kayo kasi nakakalimutan.
20% na si Extreme ha?
Nakalimutan.
20%.
Sa bag ko.
20% meron po tayo.
20%. 2-0 ha.
Punta na tayo Extreme Effort ha.
Okay, next. Second placer is Mr. Joseph Mandela of Tres Maria. Alright, coming down.
Aso yan! Nice one.
Alright, so lahat po ng mga nakapost.
At laki sa siklista ha! Walang lap para sa asawa! Ayan na!
Mr. Tom Darius. Nice one.
Pastride bukas!
Ito mga master natin. Master natin. Congratulations all.
Ninang, ibibigay ka ng panalunan sa amin!
Matalo pa tayo.
Ayusin mo ba kayo? Ito yung plaquet.
Ate Calvin.
Plak, plak, plak.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Okay, sa kategorya ng 40 to 49. Ay! Okay, para sa kategorya ng 40 to 49. Wala pa sila. Okay, top 11 and 12. Finishers. Okay, finishers. 40 to 49. Sige. 40 to 49. Joven and Henry.
Okay, this Nakabilis ba ito? Vice yan!
Okay, finish.
Yeah, yes, si Chabet.
Okay.
Vice!
Akala ko hindi pala pumasok sa 10?
Hindi. Si ano ang
Prank daw, sa prank!
Okay.
12 kami. Kaming dalawa ng panay.
And laser. From past, Chris. And laser. Number 9, 9 laser. Noriel. And Aces. Noriel from Aces.
Lakas maghatak yan.
Okay.
Lakas sumatak yan.
Laser, Manuel. From
Wow.
Pablo Escobar. Manuel.
Manuel!
Manuel, calling the arrival of Manuel.
Pablo Escobar!
Pablo Escobar team. Alright.
Boy Tulog!
7. Okay, picture. 7th placer. Ariel Danza from Kiran. Alright, from Kiran. The famous Kiran. 6th placer. Ronnie from Aces again. Okay, panglima natin. From Tres Marias, Mr. Jonathan. Mr. Jonathan. Coach time. Yan, si Coach time.
Bakit di ba rin mo dyan?
Oh, mga ano yan? Full-fledged na triathlete, full triathlete yan. Fourth placer is Mario
Uso ba yung Betamax ngayon?
Okay, third placer na tayo ah. Third placer goes to Mr. Noy.
Bakasyon pa yan! Hoy, uminom mo yan kagabi! Kagabi! Bawasan mo yung tigan yan!
Okay.
Tumagal ba? Partida na yan, ha? Flower! Hoy!
Okay. Second placer.
Alam niya, pambili ng bote!
Second placer goes to Stone. Grabe.
Oh my God!
Okay, tandaan nyo, lagi mga podium, merong 20% discount in stream.
Hanggang alas 12 lang yun, ha? Hanggang alas 12!
Okay, next.
Sabay takbo yun.
Welcome first. The champion.
Diba yun?
Other than. Merong malupet. Tuhod talaga. Tuhod talaga.
Wala sa karpun yan!
Uwi pa ng kiran yan, ha?
Hindi na bagay yan. Okay, wait lang.
Uwi pa yan,
Okay, meron pa tayong dalawang special award.
Okay, na una.
King of the Mountain goes to Mr. Isko.
Again.
Again. Oh, Quezon.
Kayo!
Good.
Legit yan.
And the best sprinter goes to
Isko. Chris.
Hey, Chris Mohe!
Alright. Nice one, nice one.
Tatlo na.
Grabe, dalawa award!
Best sprinter pa.
Chris, isang picture. Okay.
Okay. Mag-picture.
Ikaw muna.
1, 2, okay.
Okay. Hindi kita yung likod.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, for the main event. For the main Okay, below 39 years old. 18 years old. Top 10. 10 players.
Mojo, Bakeko.
Okay, for the 10th placer. Goes to Shireen of ASR. Shireen, coming down.
Yan, sa likod!
You know.
Ba't isa?
Okay, take a picture. Take a picture. Nice one. For the 9th placer. Rap from Fast. Nice, nice one. Okay. Ito yung mga best of the best talaga.
Hindi yan nawawala sa listahan.
Matik.
Bumigat lang kasi may brace na eh. May tato.
Ang 8th placer goes to Albert Castilla of ASR. ASR. Belo. Ay, Belo pala.
Hoy, delikado yan. Para may usapan yan ha.
Thank you. Okay, next. 7th placer goes to Mr. Eugene De La Cruz of Tres Marias. Nice one.
Picture. Oh, manager. Picture kay manager. Yan.
Next. Okay, for the 6th placer goes to Mateo. Whoa, Aces.
Maglalaba ka kaya?
For the 5th placer, 5th placer goes to no other than Jed Susa from Tres Maria.
Bonus. Bonus.
Okay. For the 4th placer. Okay. Walang bago. DC Kraken of Powerboy. Nice one, Kraken.
Nice game.
Okay, for our podium, 3rd placer goes to Wailon of Tres Marias. Ang katawan!
Ayaw bulaklak para sa misis, ha?
Okay, surprise.
Oo. Bili lang yung kuhan.
Picture mo lang, picture.
Bote lang yan, pang isang bote.
Okay, for our second placer goes to Mark B of Tres Marias. Okay, second placer. Yo. Okay. Okay, and for our champion, first placer goes to Ernie of Tres Marias.
Arky!
Hoy, manager! Sama niya manager! Ay, go! Nandito sa top 10, eh. Manager!
Okay, next. Meron ba tayong award? Special award? Okay, special award.
Sandali.
Halika din eh, din ka!
May special award pa.
May special award pa tayo, ha? Special award for King of the